Welcome back to another video. I hope all has been well. Today's video is going to be about contouring. Okay. So first, I like to start out with a green color corrector. Green color corrector is to correct any redness that may appear. Right now, I am going through an allergic reaction because I'm allergic to everything. After that, using my C&C concealer in orange, I like to go over any dark spots I might find, which is usually around my mouth, mostly in the corners of my mouth. Go over it with a beauty blender. Don't rub it in, blot it in. Then with my e.l.f. foundation blending brush, I like to take my Studio Fix Fluid by MAC full coverage foundation and apply that all over my face. Next, using my Too Faced Born This Way sculpting concealer, I take that and apply it under my eyes, working it down sort of in like an upside down triangle. And then one strip down the nose, a little bit on the forehead, okay, then I take my Real Techniques Beauty Blender, spray it with MAC's Fix Plus, and I blot all of the concealer in evenly. This is what I am going to contour my face with. It's in the shade Zambia, a dark brown. So as you can see, I'm applying it under my cheekbones on both sides, across my forehead. Then I used a blending brush and worked some of the contour down on my nose, just to be careful because you want your nose to be very defined. I then took a brush and blended that in really good. My cheekbones, my forehead. Made sure I got rid of any lines. Using my Real Techniques Miracle Powder Sponge, I then applied, let's see, what is this? My Laura Mercier transparent powder. After applying it with a sponge, I let it sit for a few seconds, and then I took a brush and just swept it all away. Then with my Fix Plus finishing mist, I sprayed it all over and it did nothing but just melt everything all together, creating a beautiful glow. It blended out pretty good, I guess. It was all right. I will definitely use it again. I like powder more to contour with, that's just me. That's why I went back over to set everything with a powder. But I would give it a thumbs up. It's pretty good. It's not blotchy and I love the shade of brown. So, but tell me what you think about it. I don't know if you've tried it. This is just my thoughts. That's all I have for you today. If you have any questions about anything or you have any videos that you would like for me to do, all you have to do is drop me a comment down below. Thank you. Be safe out there.